Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated a 3-tier planter with some colors as well as mandala design on top. So this is a 3-tier planter which I got from Target, and some of the colors that I'm going to use on top of this wooden planter is this purple color, then pink and pastel blue color. These all are acrylic colors, and these colors usually we will get online or from Walmart or Target. So first I used pink and purple, then blue and pink, then on the other one it's blue and purple. So that's how I mixed all the colors and I used. Once the colors are dried, I used Chakola markers as well as Posca markers. Chakola markers are chalk markers, and Posca pens I am using from so many years on different materials like the wood, glass, paper, canvas, and so many things. So first I traced the design using Chakola markers, but it looked a little bit lighter in color, so that's why I used Posca pens and I traced the design. These designs are just simple design. These are so simple that there is no need of looking for the design and all. Just whatever comes in your mind you can draw. So I was just doing all the dots using a pencil, and so I started pressing the Posca very hard. So at one point the ink came out, and I was so nervous, I didn't know what to do. Then I took a tissue and I just took out all the ink. I pressed the tissue on top of the ink and all the ink came. Then I thought, okay, I will let it dry for some time. So that's why I just left the design there, and I started to draw the mandala design on the other wooden planter. So this is a different type of mandala design. Later on I came back to my old design where the ink came out. So on top of it I painted again with the purple color. Once the ink dried off, I painted, and I just covered the whole part again with the same purple color. After I finished covering it up with purple, I just let it dry. Then I went back to the old design and I drew some details inside. I just want to finish it up, and so by the time I finished it, this design was dried, and so again I drew on top of the ruined painting. On the small wooden board I drew a small design. So this is how it looked. These are the designs that I drew on the 3-tier wooden planter, and I hope you liked these designs. So this is how it turned. As there were no plants in my bathroom, I thought of keeping the wooden planter in the bathroom, and I arranged with the succulent pots that I had, and so this is how it turned. So if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.